Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Wish you all a very happy friendship day. Today we are going to do this hoop art. I have taken this wooden hoop. You can also take the plastic one. This is mainly used for embroidery works. Just insert a cloth very tight. You can also take a handkerchief. You can do the same art on any kurta or on frocks as well. They will look equally pretty. So tightly you insert the cloth and then cut the extra part. It's better if you stick it with Fevicryl and make it more firm, because you need a tight cloth on top of this embroidery hoop. So this is how it looks backside. Now I'm going to take a simple design of two girls sitting on a swing. If you have 4 friends, you can make 4 of them, and you can make any big or small size. You get hoops in many sizes. I'm sure you all have very good memories with your friends. If you gift a handmade one, they will feel very special for sure. I took a white carbon paper and traced out this design. You can directly draw it using pencil on top of it. So I have just drawn the full shape. Okay, now I am going to keep a cardboard below so that it will be easy to paint, because you get a hard surface. So I am going to color their shirt and skirt with different vibrant colors. Usually in hoop art, even these clothes are made with embroidery, that is using thread, but I am using a little shortcut by using paint, because I'm not very good at stitching. I'm just learning. Okay, you can make this gift for your own house as well. It will look so pretty on the wall. This can be washed easily. You can also make a couple one and give them as gift for anniversary, or you can make your own for your own house. I will show those in my future videos. So like this, I'm going to paint vibrant colors to their dresses. I'm going to add little detailing, like they're holding the rope like that. But still I have chosen a very simple design. Then I'm going to color the swing with brown and brown shades. And the swing handles, I will just add some flowers and some leaves, so that it looks like a wine with flowers. So like that I will color and complete the whole design. This requires a little effort of the thread work. That thread work took a little time, but then the efforts were totally worth when you see the final output. So I'm going to use blue, yellow and little pink to make flowers, and green to make some leaves. I have not fast forwarded it because you will not know how I have painted, so I just did not fast forward it. I hope you enjoy the process of making it as well. So making simple flowers. Actually soon I will also learn how to make flowers using embroidery. That technique is very beautiful and it looks very nice. So like this I'm going to complete the flowers painting. You can also add some nice lace around and also add tassels below. That will look very nice to enhance this hoop art, but I am keeping it simple for today. So I've just added a little bit of white and red color to make it pink. So like this it's complete. Down I'm just adding some grass and sand to cover up the empty space, and also for it to look like they're really sitting on the swing and trying to sway. Then I'm going to color the hair part as well with brown, and then do the thread work. Just trying to highlight the swing handles. So one I will show you which is already made because it takes time. I can't show you both. The other one I'll show you how I did that. Now I'm taking a black color and making the outline. This outline will define the entire design. If you can see, so I took a zero brush and used black acrylic paint. Due to COVID situations, I don't think so anyone else would have this privilege of celebrating Friendship Day and all, but we did have when we were young, so I hope you remember your school and college days. Now in my YouTube channel, I see many of you commenting, appreciating. Thank you so much for supporting. Now you are all my friends as well, so this hoop art is for you people. So I've just added some pollens to the flowers as well so that it looks little realistic. Okay, now it's complete. See, now for one of them I have done, so similarly I'm showing you the other one. So I've just colored it with brown, and now I'm starting with one end and inserting the thread. This is a lady thread, embroidery thread, which you get it for 4 rupees. So however long you want the hairs to be, based on that you can create. So just pierce right next to each other so that the hair looks thick. You can also make it a braid, a French plait, or anything, any hairstyle you want, but the basic procedure remains the same. Just keep it as near as possible. I'm showing you the second one. So I want this to be a little shorter length because the neighboring girls have made longer hair. You can make any length. So backside it looks like this. So like that I'll complete the entire hair. So first the bottom, then I'll go towards the top, and then again towards the bottom and complete it. So like this. I'll show you one more time. Just take it as near as possible, hold it to the length, and then pierce it just next to it, and that's it. Don't take the thread too long as it might create knots in the background. So take as much as you can handle. So like this, see, in between it is just still paint only, like there's no thread in between, only in the edges we have put. Now I'm cutting those loops and then trimming the excess from the bottom. Use a sharp scissor as possible, then only you get a neat finish. You can also use comb and comb her hair as well. For her I added a bow. For this one I'm going to add 2 roses. These were lying at home, so I'm adding that. You can add pearls, you can add anything you want to, and you can create different hairstyles as well. To cover up that green part, I just took some hair sand, I tied it out. Now I'm just making some heart and writing BFF, which can symbolize best friend forever. You can write your friend's name, friend's initial, or just write friends, or any quotes or anything you want to write. I hope this was a creative idea and easy to do, and a very personalized touch. So hope you will make it for your friends and gift them. If you do so, please let us know on Instagram or in the comment section. Hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Wish you all a very happy Friendship Day once again.